Hello, my friend. I am here to learn about how will you upload my product in your video. So please upload carefully so that we can generate sales and you will get 10% for each sale. You will get 10% about $2. You will get $2 from each sales. Okay, let me show you how will you upload a product with buy button. Here is my TikTok video account. Here you have to upload a video and any video that you making for this. Okay, for example, you making this, you made this video, this one. Like this is a video for my product. Okay, here you have to add this my product is Scala 2 pack, 2 pair Scala hair color. Like you can add everything. You have better knowledge because you have a create uh, followers in your profiles, and here you have to add the hashtags for your profile, for your followers. Okay, please add up interesting hashtags. And after this, the main purpose for video uploading for free samples, you have to add a link for my product. Here is the product. You have to click on this first option. This is the main purpose. This is the main purpose to add a video link, to add a product link in your video. Okay, here you will see all the products, those are added in your showcase. uh, Due to network error, it will take some time. Okay, I am doing this first time. Yeah, okay, I think, yeah. Here are the many products in my showcase, but I will add Scala. I will add Scala. You will. Here is the 2 pack Scala haircut set. I will add this. Click on this add. Add, and here is the button buy now. I will write buy now. Sorry, I have to remove buy now. Buy now. I will click and add. I Here is the edit buy now button. You will add here all the hashtags. Here care like you have better knowledge related to hashtags. Hair color, hairstyle. Like after this, you will upload all videos, post publicly. Here is a way how can you upload your video. My video is uploading now. So please, here is my video uploading now. So please, this is the way how will you upload a video with product link. Okay, thank you. I hope you will get sales more and more, and also you will get 10% profit for each order. Okay, thank you. Take care, friend.